5 critical mistakes you're making when soaking chia seeds. Think soaking chia seeds is simple? You're probably doing it dangerously wrong. And one of these mistakes? It's literally sent people to the emergency room. We're talking blocked esophagus, thyroid damage, drug interactions your doctor never warned you about. You're eating this every single day, thinking it's healing you. It might be slowly hurting you instead. Stay until the end. The last few mistakes are the ones nobody, and I mean nobody, is talking about. Let's fix this right now. Mistake number 1, soaking in regular tap water. Most people just fill a glass with regular tap water, drop in their chia seeds, and call it a day. But tap water contains chlorine, the chemical your city uses to kill bacteria. Fine for drinking, but soaking chia seeds in it for 15 to 30 minutes, that chlorine attacks the omega-3 fatty acids inside your seeds and breaks them down. And broken omega-3s don't just become useless. They flip and start causing inflammation instead of fighting it. You've been doing this every morning thinking you're healing yourself. Your water was working against you the whole time. What to do instead? Always use filtered water. A basic carbon filter pitcher is enough. No filter? Let tap water sit open for 30 minutes, and chlorine partially evaporates. Drop your city name in the comments. I'll tell you whether your water uses chlorine or chloramine. Mistake number 2, not adding enough liquid. Most people add chia seeds to yogurt, oatmeal, or smoothie bowls and don't think twice. But chia seeds expand up to 12 times their size, and if there isn't enough liquid around them, they pull it from wherever they can find it. Your throat, your esophagus, your gut lining. That's when it gets dangerous. There are documented medical cases of chia seeds causing esophageal blockages. Real people, real emergency rooms, all because of not enough liquid. What to do instead? Always add extra liquid when mixing chia into thick foods, and drink a full glass of water right after. Give them somewhere safe to expand. Now, mistake number 3, this one is silently affecting your thyroid, and most people won't connect the two until it's too late. Mistake number 3, eating too much 1 tablespoon. That's the right amount, but most people eat 2, 3, sometimes 4 tablespoons a day because it's healthy, because more must be better. It's not. Chia seeds contain goitrogens, compounds that directly block thyroid hormone production. Small amounts are fine, but daily overconsumption, your thyroid slowly starts struggling. And the worst part, the symptoms look like everything else. Fatigue, weight gain, brain fog, feeling cold all the time. You blame stress, you blame sleep. It's your chia seeds. What to do instead? 1 to 2 tablespoons per day. That's it. Mistake number 4, taking chia seeds with your medication. Most people take their medicine, then eat chia seeds right after. Same time, same routine. Every morning seems harmless. It isn't always, because chia seeds are high in fiber and omega-3s, and that can quietly change how certain medications behave inside your body. Blood thinners, blood pressure pills, diabetes medicine. This is where timing starts to matter. What to do instead? Leave at least 1 to 2 hours between your medication and chia seeds. One small timing mistake can change more than you think. Mistake number 5, mixing chia seeds with spinach or almonds. Most people build the perfect healthy bowl: chia seeds, spinach, almonds, maybe dark chocolate on top. Looks like the healthiest meal of the day. It's quietly damaging your kidneys. Spinach, almonds, and dark chocolate are extremely high in oxalates. Chia seeds are high in calcium. When oxalates and calcium meet inside your gut, bind and form crystals. Those crystals accumulate inside your kidneys. Every single day, kidney stones from your healthy breakfast bowl. The pain of a kidney stone has been described as worse than childbirth. And most people never connect it back to their clean eating routine. What to do instead? Never combine chia seeds with spinach, almonds, beets, or dark chocolate in the same meal. Ever had kidney pain after a healthy meal? It might not be a coincidence. Drop it in the comments. But is this safe for you? Chia seeds affect everyone differently. Thyroid condition? Limit your intake on medication? Talk to your doctor first. History of kidney stones? Watch your combinations. And if you have any existing condition, check with your doctor before making this a daily habit. It's not a disclaimer. That's just common sense. If this video made you think twice about something you do every single morning, hit like. It genuinely helps. Subscribe and turn on the bell. As the next video, it's going to surprise you even more.